Georgians who apply for Social Security disability often face a huge decision if their applications get denied. Do they stay in or do they start all over?
Well, the Fox 5 I-Team first reported how Georgia has the 4th longest wait time in the country. This is to get a judge's ruling on disability benefits, and it's more than 500 days. Fox 5 I-Team reporter Randy Travis returns now with how the system has created this really frustrating guessing game for the people who say that they need help the most.
That's right, Sine and Doug. It's the sort of frustration you feel when you're stuck in the worst kind of traffic jam. Except these people say it's costing them a lot more than just time. Ever been stuck in a traffic jam and you just can't see what's going on up there? Well, you've got something in common with thousands of other Georgians who are trying to get disability benefits. They're all asking the same question.
Okay, where do I go from here?
For 13 years, Juanita Flanagan stacked batteries, alternators, and starters for an auto supply house in Metro Atlanta. It was hard work on her body.
I kept taking ibuprofen, and I woke up one morning and I couldn't raise my arm.
According to her medical records, Juanita had 2 unsuccessful surgeries on her left shoulder, still experiences blurred vision, severe back pain, and says she can't walk without falling or even sit for long periods of time. So we've been sitting here for maybe about 15 minutes and you can't sit here anymore.
I just need to get up.
Okay. The 53-year-old grandmother filed for Social Security disability benefits. An earlier Fox 5 I-Team investigation showed how, for some Georgians, getting benefits may not depend so much on how sick you are, but on which judge you get. Some judges seem to always grant those appeals. Others almost always deny them.
Not that I wanted to get hurt or look forward to getting hurt, but they took the money out, paid it into Social Security, and now I'm not able to get it. So to me, that is a joke.
After being denied twice and waiting nearly 3 years, Juanita finally got a hearing before a judge. Someone who happened to have the same last name but no relation, Brendan Flanagan. A judge who over the last 5 years said yes to only 19% of the disability cases he heard. No judge in Atlanta is tougher. He ruled there were many jobs Juanita could still do.
One of them was put lens in eyeglasses.
Like the glasses you're wearing now?
Mm-hmm.
And you could actually put the glasses into the frame.
Into the frame, or be a mail sorter at the post office.
Like so many other Georgians denied disability benefits by a judge, Juanita found herself in the worst kind of traffic jam. She could stay in line, appeal Judge Flanagan's decision, and wait maybe another year for an answer. Or she could get out of line, file a new claim for disability benefits, but go back to the beginning and start her wait all over again. She decided to file a new claim. The numbers suggest she made the right choice. According to records obtained by the Fox 5 I-Team, Judge Flanagan's decisions are appealed more than almost any other judge in the Atlanta office. Yet his decisions are upheld 80% of the time. He may be the toughest, but the appeals council rarely reverses his decisions. Overall, if you appeal a judge's decision in Atlanta, there's a 2 out of 3 chance your appeal will fail. How hard is it to tell that client that she has to start all over?
It's a very difficult conversation. The odds are in favor of starting a brand new case.
Even though you have to wait a lot more time again.
That's correct. It's piling hardship on top of hardship, unfortunately.
After another year of waiting, Juanita just learned she's got a new hearing date. She doesn't know yet who will preside over her appeal this time. What happens if Juanita Flanagan winds up in front of Judge Flanagan again?
Well, I hope it's some way that I can request a different judge. My records should show that I've been before Judge Flanagan, and I just hope I don't get him anymore. The Social Security office here in Georgia would not grant us an interview with Judge Flanagan. Last week, Social Security trustees said the disability fund has such financial problems that it could trigger an automatic 19% cut in benefits next year. So Congress is going to have to figure that out too.
So these wait times are excruciating, but there can be costs associated with the wait as well.
Exactly. While you're waiting, you get back pay accrued. So when you win, if you win, you get years worth of back pay, unless
you withdraw your case and start all over again, like Juanita did. She lost all those years of accrued benefits if she had won at the next level. So you're talking about thousands of dollars you're leaving behind to get back out of line and file a new claim.
Tough.
Yeah.
Tough all the way around. Randy, thank you.
Okay.